Introducing the Tohnichi DOT300I-MD torque wrench tester, the ultimate solution for verifying the accuracy and reliability of your torque wrenches. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this tester empowers you to maintain consistent and precise torque values, ensuring the utmost quality in your assembly operations. The DOT300I-MD torque wrench tester boasts a motor-driven loader, simplifying the calibration process by reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. Its wide torque range of 50 to 300 lb/f makes it compatible with various torque wrench capacities, making it a versatile tool for your assembly needs. The large and easy-to-read dial face offers clear and precise readings, allowing for accurate torque measurements. Designed to be set horizontally, the DOT300I-MD eliminates the need for weight correction, further simplifying the calibration process. Featuring a conveniently designed handle, this tester enables effortless torque wrench calibration with just a simple rotation. With a torque range of 50-300 lb/f, a drive size of 1/4 square, and an accuracy of 2%, the DOT300I-MD is the epitome of precision and reliability. Elevate your torque wrench calibration processes with the Tohnichi DOT300I-MD torque wrench tester. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for maintaining accurate and reliable torque values in your assembly operations. Invest in this advanced tester and experience the confidence of knowing that your torque wrenches perform at their best.